What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Milady meme coin, which has gone for another green candle guys. A huge increase in value over the last 24 hours. It has gained over 30% in value, currently valued at this. So we're going to be going through where is it heading to next. It's gone for a major pump again, not just the last 24 hours but over the last few weeks. It has gained an insane amount of value. So we're going to be going through, is it still worth investing into it right now? Is it too late? Should you sell it and take out your profit, or should you hold on to it before it pumps up even higher over the coming hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2024? How high can this crypto go, and is it a profitable cryptocurrency? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm just going to hide it. But before I do that, as you guys can see, we are at a very critical point. It has nearly broken out from the green zone into the dark green zone. It did hit the resistance target over about an hour ago. However, it has taken a little bit of a dip down in value, so its next target is either drop back down into the green zone or break out into the dark green zone, which I will be going through later on. So for now I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and as usual the crypto is actually trading at a much higher value than the SMA indicator, which gives us the average value of Milady meme coin here in purple, meaning it is performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we are looking quite skeptical. We do have the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have here is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So what does this mean for Milady meme coin? Is an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected for the crypto. In the early hours of tomorrow midday, it should essentially be trading around its current price range. However, in between that time, I'm expecting it to pump up a little bit higher than where it is at the moment, and also hit red candles dropping down in value. So I'm expecting it to be quite volatile, but once again the overall outcome does seem to be more on the neutral side. So hovering around its current price range in the early hours of tomorrow is what my expectations are at the moment. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. The blue and the orange line are both looking quite steep, heading towards the positive direction, and they are looking quite steep as well guys, meaning this is not realistic. Only reason they're looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the next 7 to 8 days, which is again not the case. So towards the end of this week, early next week, I'm expecting Milady meme coin to have gone through an overall increase in value once again, potentially a good 25 to 30% increase from where it is at the moment. However, in between that time, so by mid this week and over the next few days, I'm also expecting it to hit red candles, taking a little bit of a dip down in value because of the major pump that's taken place over the last week itself. It has gained, let's have a look here, 115% guys, and over the month it has gained a massive 330%. So it is slightly overvalued, so I'm expecting it to go for a minimal price correction, but again the overall outcome does seem to be more on the positive side towards the end of this week and early next week as well. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are still looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, looking quite steep once again. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys, late April, early May 2024, even though I am expecting Milady meme coin to be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment over the next 2 months, in between that time I'm expecting it to go for a price correction. Late March, early April, I'm expecting it to hit red candles, dropping down to a lower value than where it is at the moment. Potentially down to the SMA indicator here in purple is where I'm expecting it to be dropping down to before it slowly starts to gain value again by mid to late April and May, trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. So again, do expect it to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome once again does seem to be more on the positive side. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we have broken out from the red zone into the green zone right now, and it is more than likely going to stay in the green zone for a few days and then potentially break out from the resistance target here, heading into the dark green zone by mid-March over the next week or so, and potentially into the blue zone in April and May. And it does have the chance to go into the top tier level here by mid-year is what I'm expecting at the moment. But I am keeping you guys updated on a daily basis on Milady meme coin to keep you guys up to date on any major updates that come across and to keep you guys in the loop on if there are any changes. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website, the trading volume has dipped down by 2% in the last 24 hours, making it just under $30 million. However, because of the pump that's taking place, we are likely to see the trading volume go higher over the coming hours. So this red figure here should turn into green over the next couple of hours, as we are likely to see more and more people trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view, which in return should also help the value of Milady meme coin pump up even higher. So can the crypto essentially get rid of 2 zeros in 2024? I've seen a lot of comments saying that in my previous videos. However, no guys, I'm not expecting it to get rid of not even 1 0 this year, because it will require a major percentage increase, which I'm not expecting from Milady meme coin, especially that it's already gone through that and it is likely to go for a price correction. Yes, I'm expecting an overall increase in value, but not for it to get rid of 1 0. Let me know your takes on that. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.